In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to track steps on your iPhone 14. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Tracking steps on your iPhone 14 is extremely simple. This is a native feature built into the iPhone, and one of the default applications, the Apple Health app, will include this for free. So all that you have to do is open the Health application on your iPhone 14. So this is how the icon looks like. It is going to be a blank or white icon with a heart. When you find this application and you open it up, you will immediately see the steps that you have taken. So usually it will begin tracking automatically. However, if it says 0 or if it prompts you to set up your profile, you can do so by following the steps on screen, or if you see the summary first, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. So this is where you can manage your profile. So if they ask for details like first name, last name, date of birth, and so on, you can include all of them here. So it's as simple as going through this process. Once you are satisfied, tap done at the right side and immediately you will be good to go. So after you set up your health profile, if prompted to do so, you will see your steps displayed here. If they don't appear here, you can also go to browse. So at the bottom right corner of the screen, choose browse and then find activity. In there, your step counter will also appear. So choose the option to see it from the home screen here, or go to your activity page. It's as simple as opening the Health application and you will begin tracking it automatically. If you don't see the steps here, you will find it under activities and you can give a star to the steps counter under your activity. This way it will always be displayed on the Health application. And it is going to be quite accurate. You can use other applications to transfer this data, for example Nike Run Club, Strava, or devices like an Apple Watch into the Health app to get a more comprehensive view of your activity. I hope I was able to help you on how to track steps on iPhone 14. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.